two numbers are in the ratio of 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. So let's begin with, let the two numbers be A and B. A by B is equal to 5/6. This is what is given. Let me write it a bit neater, not very happy. So we have been given that A by B is equal to 5/6. That is, A is equal to 5x and B is equal to 6x. So what is this x? Where x is a common factor. Okay, so ratio problem, I hope you guys have understood the funda. The funda is quite simple. See, 5/6 can be anything. Let me explain it over here. 5/6 can be anything, or in the next sheet. Why is this over there? So 5/6 can be anything. It can be 50/60, or it can be 25/30, right? These are all equivalent fractions, is it not? So what we are looking at is equivalent fractions. So then it can be 10/12 also, as simple as that. But we don't know exactly what is that number. But one thing is, there is a factor, right? All these are your equivalent. So let me write it neatly. So you have equivalent fractions. And that is this. And then what else do I want to talk about? And then I want to talk about the factors, right? Common factors. So here the common factor, since it's the simplest form, it's 1. Here the common factor is 10. Here it is 5. Here it is 2. Right? Both the numerator and denominator has 2's. It has 5's and it has 10's. Agree? Okay. Now, on to this. Here we don't know exactly what is the factor. Of course, it can be anything. But along with the second condition, we'll be able to figure out. That's the whole funda. That's it. Understood? So we'll tell A minus 8 by B minus 8. If we subtract 8 from each of the numbers, that is A and B, the ratio it turns out to be 4/5. But A and B is something else altogether. So substituting A and B, right? So we're going to substitute A and B. What happens? Your equation turns to 5x minus 8 divided by 6x minus 8 brackets is equal to 4/5. Right? Now going to cross multiply and stuff and solve it. That's it. You find x, you'll be able to find other two numbers. Okay, simplify this for x and we are done. So this is 25x minus 40 is equal to 24x minus 32. Yeah, I'll transpose this and this here and there. So we have 25 minus 24, that's 1x. And this is 40 minus 32, that's 8. So x is equal to 8. So the common factor is 8. How we had here the common factor to be 10, 5 and 2. Here the common factor is 8. Therefore the numbers are 5 into 8, that is 40, and 6 8s are 48. That's it. Understood? So that's how you figure out. The main thing over here is this part of the answer. That would be your star. If not, everything else is quite simple.